Hi, so I've mentioned this in earlier videos and I will continue mentioning it. The thing I like about programming, or one thing I like about programming, is that these people used words that are familiar. So whenever you see a word and you know the meaning, then you probably know what that command or code is supposed to do. For example, while loop. Okay, so while when I say while 5 is less than 2, do this. What do I mean? Exactly that. As in, as long as you understand English, and probably if you translate it to your language, as long as you understand your language, you understand a while loop. You understand an if statement. Okay? You understand functions. You understand data types. That's the beauty of all this. Okay. We have an integer a and we've declared it to be 9. And then we have another one b, for example, and we declare it to be 0. So then when we use while, we say while a is less than, while b is less than a, okay, do this, okay? We can say output b, because b is the one changing, so we can just output it as it increases. And so whenever we just write this statement this way and add nothing else, then there will be a problem because this statement will run forever. It will make your machine hang, and at times it may even make you have to restart it. Yeah, so for us to avoid that and make it run for an infinite and a finite number of times, then we have to say increase b by 1 after every loop. Okay, when you go once, increase b by 1, come back. Go again, increase b by 1, come back and check. Go again, increase, come back and check. So that's basically a while loop. So while a certain condition is met or not met, do this. Okay, so in our case, while b is less than 9, then do this. As in, it's just that straightforward. So we have b, we have output. Okay, a will remain the same. B is what is increasing by 1. Plus plus means increase by 1. Minus minus decrease by 1. So let's check what will happen. So at first B will be 0, and then while output B, so output 0, and then check, increase by 1, check, it's still less than 9, and then output 1, check, 2, still less than 9, output 2. Do the same until when b is 9. Okay, check, it's not less than 9, it's equal to 9, so we don't go back to this loop, we exit it. Okay, so I mentioned earlier about iteration. This is still iteration. As long as you're going around a loop and then exiting after a certain condition is met, you're iterating. Okay, so iteration we can iterate in a for loop, as I mentioned earlier, and now we've just talked about while. Then there's another called do while. Difference between while and do while will be seen in the next video. So have a good time, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye.